Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Amazon Seller Central for dropshipping compliance, full guide step by step clearly. To configure Amazon Seller Central for dropshipping compliance, begin by logging into your Amazon Seller Central account. Navigate to the Account Settings tab in the top right corner. Click on the Shipping Settings option. Review the shipping options currently set for your account. If necessary, add or adjust your shipping methods to align with Amazon's policies. Next, go to the Fulfillment by Amazon section. Ensure you are familiar with Amazon's dropshipping policy. Read through the guidelines to fully understand what is allowed. Set your marketplace defaults under the Account Info tab. Next, click on the Business Information section. Locate the seller information link and ensure your business details are accurate. Now, check the Return Settings section to verify your return policies. Make sure your return policies comply with Amazon's requirements for dropshipping. Proceed to the Product Listings section to review any active listings. For each product, confirm that you have adequate stock levels with your supplier. Adjust any pricing discrepancies that may violate Amazon's pricing policy. You must also ensure that your product descriptions accurately reflect the items being sold. Next, distribute the responsibility by coordinating with your supplier. Clearly communicate Amazon's shipping speed requirements to your supplier. Set expectations around order fulfillment and shipping times. Establish a system for tracking inventory levels in real time. Integrate any necessary software tools for efficient inventory management. Now, familiarize yourself with the buyer-seller messaging system in Amazon. Promptly respond to customer inquiries to maintain good seller metrics. Ensure your account health and performance metrics are monitored regularly. Check for any policy updates from Amazon that may affect dropshipping. Finally, review all settings and policies before going live with your listings. Once everything is aligned, you can begin selling your products on Amazon. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.